The Breezeway Blend Cocktail Contest started out with hundreds of submissions. We got it down to 30, from there to 9, and then from 9 to just 3. And recently, we proclaimed the winner of the Breezeway Blend Cocktail Contest. And he's here in the Breezeway. I would love to welcome onto the show, Ryan Gummerman. Dude, you won.
Yeah, I did. It's crazy.
How you doing?
Good, man. Like, this is a little surreal being here.
What's even more bizarre to me is that you actually live in the same town that I live in.
Yeah, I grew up here.
Oh, you did?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. I was in like the same 2-block radius.
Really?
Where I lived, yeah.
It was so funny to me because when we announced the winner and I said that you were from Costa Mesa, Ed goes, is that okay?
Is that legal?
Is that legal? And I go, dude, the winner's the winner. It wasn't planned. It's not we don't know each other.
I didn't announce I was from Costa Mesa or anything.
No.
Like, no.
You didn't. First of all, are you a bartender?
No.
You're not a professional bartender?
No, I just like drinking.
Me too.
No, we got really big into tiki like a long time ago. Me and my dad ended up like coming across Stowaway's first location.
Oh, okay.
And that's when we got really big into tiki. And so, yeah, I started finally building out a bar at home and just making cocktails. And yeah, the story of the cocktail is really like a tale of necessity, really. I was making Mai Tais, and I ran out of materials. And so I kind of looked down at what I had. I'm like, all right, well, I've got Breezeway blend. Okay, maybe I'll start with the daiquiri base.
Okay.
So, you know, I did 2 ounces of Breezeway, ounce of lime, half ounce of simple syrup, tried that, and I was like, all right, it's fine. But, like, you know, I could do more, you know. And my buddy actually has a white grapefruit tree. Okay. So I get fresh white grapefruit, and I had a few left, so I'm like, I'll throw some white grapefruit in. You know, that always can't go wrong. And then I tried that and went, you know, a little basic for me. And then that's when I actually, this exact falernum flavor.
Okay.
But yeah, then I was like, yeah, half ounce of falernum, just threw that in there, and I tried it, and I was like, yeah, it's really good. And I handed it to my wife, and she tried it. She's like, yeah, it's really good. And so I texted my dad, who's a big fan, and it was super funny because he was like, you know, there's a contest going on for this, right? I'm like,
you made this drink before there was a contest?
I just made it because it was tasty, and I had nothing else on it.
Are you serious?
I'm completely serious. Yeah. He was like, I was gonna make something kind of similar. Like, can I just put this in? I'm like, I mean, just credit me.
You're like,
sure,
whatever.
Yeah.
You know, the funny thing about the cocktails, I wonder if you would have been so simple with it had you known it was for a contest.
You know, in my head, I always think of like a back of the bottle kind of thing. So I always think like, well, it's got to highlight the rum.
Yeah.
Immediately. Like I was kind of thinking of like, if I were to reverse engineer that, I'm like, well, it's got to be simple. It's got to be available materials, as few materials needed as possible, and showcase the rum.
Yeah, totally.
I don't know if I would have made the same exact thing, but I'm glad I did. Yeah.
Well, Hamilton himself goes,
I really like that. And I'm not saying that just for the simplicity of the drink. There's a lot of complexity there, a lot of body, broad flavor profile, but it's balanced. Balance is the main thing to me. Is there anything at the end of it that says, oh, I've had enough of that?
Right.
Or that's going to be too sweet if I have another sip? Or that invites me to have another sip?
well, it's so light, and I think it really showcases the rum really nicely. He loves simple cocktails, so that was like a plus also. It's not a pretentious cocktail.
Yeah.
You didn't use anything weird.
Yeah, looking at different things in my bar, I was like, there's no way this would just overcrowd everything. Like,
Right, yeah.
I didn't really want to flex on anything. I'm like, yeah.
Even Ed's like, do people use falernum? I'm like, yeah. Your family and your new wife, by the way, is here. And this cocktail was featured at your wedding?
Yeah, actually, it was such a hit at the wedding that the company that was bartending for us actually asked us, like, can we keep this recipe on our menu?
Really?
Like, full time? Yeah. They were like, yeah, we almost ran out of stuff for it. And so I was like, yeah, sure. Like,
did you use Breezeway blend?
Yeah, we got a case of Breezeway blend, did all that. We had to use bottled juices, though. So, like, it was, I will tell you guys, if you use the bottled juices with it, when it dilutes out, it's pretty good, actually.
Okay.
It's really good, but you can't beat fresh.
You can't. So should we make a round of these cocktails?
I won't say no.
You want to do it?
Yeah, for sure, dude. So we want to start with the juices first, I imagine, then? It's going to be 2 ounces of white grapefruit juice here.
Okay.
All right, let's get that in there. Boom.
2 ounces for 2. Okay.
Alrighty then. Half ounce of lime for each. So that's a full ounce of lime.
Okay.
I am short, so I'm going to have to figure out how to see this. There we go. All right. Perfect.
Okay.
An ounce of simple syrup.
The tall bottle.
Oh, beautiful.
Middle bottle, yeah. Liquid Alchemist.
Awesome. Love this stuff. All right. Cool. Go 1 ounce there.
Okay. 1 ounce for 2.
Yep.
Okay.
Perfect.
I have not had this since the contest, so I'm excited to have this again.
I'm always excited to have it. Next, we're going to do with falernum. So it's a half ounce for each, so that's going to be a full ounce of falernum.
Okay.
It feels like a lot, but I keep reminding myself it's 2 drinks.
Right, totally.
A little bit extra. Never hurt anyone. All right, and now to our Breezeway blend. So we need 4 ounces of that.
Okay.
All right, so we want to go with this bottle?
Sure. This is a bottle that they brought me that has my recipe on the back.
Or do you want to save this one and go for that one, or?
No, it's fine.
All right, cool.
Yeah. This is my stage one that doesn't have a label on the back.
Ah. Of course, it's got a cork. All right. I may have watched the show a couple of times.
I hope so.
Who are you?
Uh-huh.
All right, there's the first 2 ounces. And the next 2 ounces. All right.
Okay, dude, that is the drink.
Perfect. There we go.
Yeah.
Improvise, adapt, overcome.
You do the rest.
I did the rest. Oh, man. Okay. So it's going to be... This is a nice shaker. My shaker sucks at home.
And we shake.
How cold do you usually like it?
I like it cold.
Okay, cool. I'm going to do it so I can barely handle it then. Okay. Oh, come on. Oh, don't make me look like this. All right.
Okay, we're going to do this in a Tiki Cocktails with Spike glass and a Breezeway blend glass.
How much to actually pour in here?
Half and half.
This we're just going to pour equal amounts as we go.
That's a good idea. Go a little here, a little there.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't have any garnish.
Oh, no. We're skimping them in?
Oh. Damn, dude. Taste these and then make a batch for everybody?
Sure, sounds good to me.
Okay. Your straw?
Thank you, sir.
Oh, dude. Hold on.
What have I done?
What have you done?
Oh!
You were awarded
That's right.
the Grand Champion Cocktail Mix-Off Trophy of the World.
All right.
Or the Breezeway. It's signed back here by Ed Hamilton and by myself. You know, it converts into a shaker.
Oh, that's dope.
You know that?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I watched the show.
So, may I present to you Ryan Gummerman. You're crowned the Grand Champion Cocktail Cocksmith of the World.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Awesome. Without further ado,
Yeah, the Tranquil Breeze.
all right, what brought me the victory? Here we go. That's nice.
It's simple.
Yep.
It's simple, but it's so delicious.
It's refreshing. It ends cleanly, but what I like is that extra little spice of falernum.
Yeah.
Because otherwise, just with the juice, it was a little underwhelming. It was just it just rounded it off nicely.
Oh, dude, it's so good.
dude. Yeah.
It really is.
Oh, man.
Good work on
Solid.
accidentally winning a contest.
Yes. Bumbled my way to victory. All right.
Let's make a bunch more.
Yeah, let's do it.
And then, you want to plug your Instagram or anything?
I don't have an Instagram anymore. I deleted mine. So
Based.
I have a TikTok.
Oh, okay.
TikTok, Grumpy Mall.
Wait, what?
Grumpy Space Mall. So Grumpy like the attitude and Mall like Darth Maul.
Oh.
Done a lot of Star Wars content.
M-A-L-L?
M-A-U-L.
M-A-U-L.
Yeah.
All right. Well, let's make some other drinks.
All right, cool. So we need 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 3 of them. What cracks me up is finding out about the white grapefruit tree my buddy has. Megan and I met at our lightsaber club we go to.
Lightsaber Club?
Yeah, it's called Saber Guild. It's an international organization where we cosplay as Jedi and Sith. We're Lucasfilm accredited.
Really?
And for charity, we do lightsaber fight choreography shows.
Really?
Yeah, that's
You
hence Grumpy
choreograph.
Mall, hence that for my tag. Yeah.
Oh, so if they go to your TikTok, they'll see you lightsaber.
Yeah, listen to me with some
battling?
lightsaber content. I've been doing martial arts since I was about 10 years old.
Really?
Yeah, and I specialize in weaponry, so with with lightsabers, just kind of put everything into there. Yeah.
You see my Tongan War Club over there?
I was looking at it, I'm not gonna lie. I was like, that looks really fun.
Yeah.
It's 2 ounces of Breezeway per. But so I was training with my buddy in his backyard. I was talking to him about I'd gotten into tiki and stuff, and I've been looking for white grapefruit, and I look up at his tree, and I'm like, are those grapefruits? He's like, I guess. I'm like, what do you mean you guess? It's grunky. So
Nobody cares. Nobody cares about the white grapefruit.
Right?
Yeah.
He goes, or none of my family eats any of it. My gardener, takes some, and we let him do that, for him taking care of the tree. And I'm like,
Right.
okay, well, hey, if none of your family uses it, can I have some?
Yeah.
So yeah, they're like, yeah, otherwise it's just a mess or anything. So
it's a miracle when you like. I've told the story a million times, but when I moved into this house, I looked right over there and I go, no way.
There's no possible way.
Yeah, it's just white grapefruit showering down over the fence.
And it's such a rare thing. Hardly anybody knows about it outside of Tiki.
Nobody knows.
Yeah.
Okay. And we shake.
All right.
We got a good rhythm, dude. Maybe I could join the guild.
Yeah, right?
Hey, you want to bring everybody over here?
Yeah, you guys want to come over? Yeah, we can do that.
Mm-hmm.
Stepping up to the bar.
Yeah, watch your head.
Oh, yes.
Hey,
I think bites.
I know.
There you are.
Thank you.
There you are, sir.
Cheers.
You all right?
Ooh.
Thank
Here,
you.
scoot over here. Get on in here.
Cheers, everybody.
Cheers. Cheers.
Congratulations.
All right. Thank you.
Thanks for playing. If you enjoyed this, please be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you aren't already. We'll see you in the next episode. Aloha.
Aloha.